Hello children, today we are going to write letter M. M says ma, mango. Now see carefully how ma'am is writing the letter. You will start from the dot and you will make one standing line. Go down straight, make a standing line, touch the blue line and stop here. Then come back again on the dot and you will start making a slanting line from here. Make a slanting line down, stop at the blue line, don't lift up your pencil, and make a slanting line again and go up, stop at the red line, don't lift up your pencil and come down again and make a standing line like this. See once more how ma'am is writing. You will start making a standing line from here, dot, go down, make a standing line, stop here at the blue line, go up again on the dot, make one slanting line down and one slanting line up, and don't lift up your pencil and then make one standing line down and stop here. Write this, you are going to write the whole page. It's so easy. Happy learning.